Well, shifting focus to the commodity markets, Manisha Gupta is joining in. Manisha, what's the one commodity that you're tracking today?
Well, Sonia, I'm looking at metals as a sector. Most of the asset classes have seen a bit of a rebound, even gains today. But I can't say the same about metals as a place because we still suffer from poor demand for this sector. The inventories have been constantly rising in Shanghai, in Europe and US as well. And then it has been a barrage of weak economic data from US, Europe and majorly from China. For China, essentially, markets have been waiting for some big bang stimulus measures or some announcements, and we haven't heard any of those. There has been a bit here and there and in small quantum as well, and that really hasn't helped the markets. Apart from that, there also are recession concerns coming in for US. We have seen very weak data there, and the sell-off in other asset classes also seems to have broken the momentum when it comes to metals there. Dollar index is trading at a 5-month lows. We've seen that break below 103, so that could give some support at some point in the day today. And then apart from that, it also is about the US rate cut expectations. Those are a couple of factors that the metals, of course, will look at, as will other asset classes. But when you talk about the copper prices, we've seen constant decline onto this one. We did see an all-time high of $11,100 in the month of May. But from those kind of levels, the copper prices have declined almost at around 20%. If you look at copper inventories, they have gained up by nearly 140% in the last 3 months itself, at around 3-year highs onto that one. And if you look at the demand, well, it's trading at a discount in the Asian markets there. So constant pressure continuing in case of copper prices. Aluminium is no better. We are trading at a 5-month lows onto this one as well. If you look at the China aluminum June output, it gained up by 6% on a year-on-year basis. And we're looking at output in China at November 2014 highs. So that tells you that the inventories are building up, but the demand is not really coming here. Same is the case with lead and zinc, also trading at 4-month lows onto that one. Nickel prices are trading at a 5-month lows as well. And you have silver now trading at 3-month lows. So across metals as a sector, we are trading at a multi-month lows. And from the highs of 2024, we have seen the prices come off quite strongly. If you go by the textbook, then many of these metals actually are trading in a bear territory. You have 20% off in case of aluminum from its 2024 highs, 20% off in case of copper as well. Zinc has declined by 25% from the current year highs, and silver is down by 16% as well. It was just last month that we saw silver prices trade at all-time highs in the Indian markets. From those kind of levels, we are down 15% as well. So pressure, especially within this space, just about continues.
Okay, thanks a lot for that.